Hi, I'm Owen Darbishire. I'm a professor at the Side Business School in Oxford. I'm also a fellow at Pembroke College and the academic director of the Oxford Programme on Negotiations. And I've been a faculty member here for well over 20 years now.
Hi, I'm Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning and a lecturer at a number of leading business schools on negotiation and influencing. I also have 25 years of business experience.
Giuseppe, based on 25 years of experience that you have, what's the most common mistake that you see business leaders making?
Probably the mistake I've experienced more often is over-reliance on facts and figures, especially when dealing with technical colleagues, engineering, research, quality. Then there is an expectation that rational arguments will be the key to any discussion, while we know that emotions are really driving our decision. In addition, because of confirmation bias and cognitive dissonance, then we tend to discount facts and data that go against our beliefs, and we tend to overemphasize facts and data which go in line with our beliefs. Owen and I will be co-teaching a masterclass on influence and persuasion. Join us in Geneva to get some additional insights on this topic.
We look forward to seeing you there.